Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this business letterhead in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our letterhead. Now first we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle 8.5 by 11. Now we will set the align of the rectangle. First we will click on specified point, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will fill white color in this rectangle. Now we will drag the rectangle like this and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will fill color in this rectangle and we will remove the outline. Now we will zoom and we will drag this rectangle like this and we will right click. Now we will press Ctrl R to repeat the step like this. Now we will select one by one and we will change the color and we will remove the outline by right click of all the rectangles. Now again we will select this rectangle and we will drag like this and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will change the color and we will remove the outline. Now we select this rectangle and we will do shift page up to get in front. Now we'll select this rectangle and we will drag like this and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will right click, then we will click on convert to curves. Now we will select the shape tool from the toolbar. Now we will select this node, then right click and we will do delete. Now we will drag this node like this. Now we will click on this line. Now we will select convert to curve. Now we will drag the handles. We will make a shape like this. Now we will select this shape and we will select the interactive fill tool from the toolbar and we will apply like this. Now we will change the color. We will select the color with the color eyedropper tool. Now we select the shape and we will do control page down 3-4 times to sand back. Now we select this rectangle and we will remove the outline. Now we select this rectangle and we will drag like this, then right click again to make a copy. Now we will drag from the bottom like this. Now we will adjust the size. I will select this and we will select the interactive fill tool and we will apply like this. Now we will set the colors. I think I should change the colors. These colors are not looking good. So I am changing the color. Now it's looking better. Now we'll select the star tool. Now we will make a simple logo for the example. We will make a 4-point star. Now we will decrease the size. Now we'll place here. Now we'll zoom. Now we'll fill white color in the star and we will remove the outline. I will make a copy of the star by drag and right click. Now we will change the color. Now again we will make one more copy of star. Now we'll fill white color. Now we will adjust the position of the stars. So now we will select the text tool from the toolbar and we will write the text. I will place text here and we will give a bold look to the text. Now again we will select the text tool and we will write the text. Here we will write the business name. And we will give a bold look to the text. Now we'll select the interactive fill tool and we will apply on the text. Now we will set the colors. By double click on the line we can add the color. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we will write the business slogan and we will place here. I will change the color. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we will write the headline and we will place here. Again we will give a bold look. Now I will just copy the text to write a paragraph text. Now we'll select the text tool and we will make a selection to write a paragraph. Now I will just paste by Ctrl V. Now we'll select all the text and we will set the size. Now I'll click on horizontal alignment. Now I'll click on full justify. Now we will put the cursor and we will press space bar. Now we will make a copy of this paragraph by drag and right click. Now we will do Ctrl R to make one more copy. Now we'll select and we will drag with the arrow key. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we will write sincerely. Now I'll place here. Now we will adjust the size of this rectangle. Here you can write the name of the person and we will give a bold look so it will highlight. Now we will set the align from the left. So now we have these icons and the details. So we will place all the icons and the details. First we will select the rectangle tool and we will draw a small square. Now we will set the equal size of the square. Now we will zoom. Now we will decrease the size. Now we will fill white color in this square and we will remove the outline. Now we will select both square and the rectangle and we will set align vertically. Now we will place the icon and we will adjust the size. I will change the color. Now we will make a copy of the square box by drag and right click. We will make 2 copies. Now we will adjust the position. Now we will place the details. Now we will place the email icon and we will change the color. Now we will select both icon and the square box. Now we will set the align horizontal and vertically. Now we will place email address and we will change the color. Now we will decrease the size of the text. We will give a same size to all the details. Now we will place the web icon. Now we will change the color and we will decrease the size and we will place on the center of the square. Now we will set the size of these details. Now we will place the address. I will change the color. Now we will reduce the size. Now we will select this rectangle and we will remove the outline. So guys, our business letterhead design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.